Hi, it's Hardressed, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. So first, scroll from the top and open the Wi-Fi settings. Then disable the Wi-Fi and after a couple of seconds, enable it again. Wait for your network to load and then hit the gear next to it and forget your network. Try connecting once again. And if you still have any issues, then restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.